Hello and welcome to Control System 1. In today's lecture, we are going to see Introduction to Control System. So basically, I will just introduce you to the definition of control and system, and then we will see how exactly it is going to work out. So firstly, let's understand the definition of system. You can see here the word system is there. Okay, so system is what? System is a combination, or you may just call it as an arrangement of various physical components which are connected together in order to achieve a certain objective. As far as system is concerned, you may have an example of a house. House consists of what? It consists of wall, roof, then floor, lighting system, fans, furniture, and so on. Okay, so this is a system. But what is control system? So if together I try to speak about a control system, it means that control means to regulate by giving some directions or some commands. Okay, so in all we can say that control system is an arrangement of various physical elements or components which are connected so as to regulate or give a direction or a command. So control system basically consists of input. You can see it here. It consists of input and output. Okay, so here you can see this is input, this is output, and this block is called as a control system. Input is always given at the left hand side. So what is input? Input basically is a signal or excitation which is applied to the control system. You can see it here. Okay, it is applied by an external source so as to produce the desired output. Okay, so once you give this certain input to this control system, definitely it is going to generate some desired output. And what is output? The actual response which is obtained from a system is called as output. So you are getting this depending on this input and the control system. Okay, so all these things are the basic things, but see, sometimes there may be a disturbance also. So what is disturbance? Disturbance is a signal which affects the value of output of a overall control system. Okay, so disturbance may be generated within the system or it may be an external disturbance, but basically it is a unwanted signal which has come into a control system or which has occurred in a control system. Okay, so that is nothing but a control system. So you may have different examples for this. One example, if I give you a car without an engine, okay, it is not an example of a control system because it is a car without engine. Okay, similarly, one more example I have for you is the bulb. Okay, so see, if a bulb doesn't have a filament, so you can see this bulb. Okay, so this diagram is for a bulb without filament. So you can see this is a bulb and it doesn't have a filament. You know what is the purpose of filament? And see, the input 230 volts 50 hertz is given as an input, and what will be the output? No light emission. Why the emission of light is not there? Because bulb without filament, it means it is not going to give us the light because filament is used for giving light only. Okay, so the bulb without filament cannot be called as a control system because it cannot provide the desired output. What was our desired output in this case? That is emission of light. It is not able to give us light because here the filament is absent, and that's the reason bulb without filament cannot be called as an example of a control system. But on similar lines, you can see, if you see this diagram, I will be calling it as an example of a control system. The reason is here we can see a filament. Okay, we can see the filament. So input 230 volts 50 hertz is given as an input. Definitely, as this bulb is having a filament, it is going to emit the light, and emission of light will be the output which we are going to get it here. So input is given, filament is present, obviously emission of light is going to take place. Okay, so a bulb with a filament can be called as a system because it can provide a desired output. and the desired output is what? Emission of light. So I am calling this as an example of bulb with filament. So this is nothing but the difference, or you may just call, like, we just get an idea what is control system, and we just saw one example for the same. Thank you.